Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. What is the main objective of India's Pragati platform, which was recently praised by Oxford University? A. To monitor agricultural production in real time. B. To promote private sector investment in education. C. To ensure e-transparency and accelerate delayed infrastructure projects. D. To regulate digital payments across rural India. Answer C. Pragati, proactive governance and timely implementation, is a multi-purpose, multimodal information and communication technology (ICT) platform launched by the Government of India in 2015 under the Digital India Initiative. Its primary aim is to enhance governance by ensuring e-transparency, accountability, and real-time coordination among key stakeholders in the implementation of government schemes and infrastructure projects. The platform enables direct interaction between the Prime Minister, central ministries, and state governments to review and fast-track critical projects. Which of the following best defines a Ponzi scheme? A. An investment plan that generates returns from real business profits. B. A financial fraud where money from new investors is used to pay earlier investors. C. A legal investment strategy regulated by central banks. D. A savings scheme offering fixed interest rates over time. Answer B. A Ponzi scheme is a type of financial fraud where returns to earlier investors are paid using the capital from new investors rather than from legitimate profit earned by the operation. It creates the illusion of a profitable business, attracting more investors with the promise of high and consistent returns.